Okay, I know this isn't the best angle or the best lighting, but I'm going to I'll show you how I touch up these small spots. I do use this little brush here, load it up with some varnish, slap it up against the side of the cup, and then literally just paint it in. Try to paint within the lines, if you will, of the damaged area. And I have some over here. And then I will build this up with about 8 coats of varnish. And once all of this is done, I will go over the Durad and the hatch with a full coat of varnish. I'll sand the whole thing to kind of blend it in. So a little bit more on top here to do. So I will take you over here so you can see it. So you can see, you're never going to totally get rid of the mark, but it looks a lot better. Same thing over here on the very bottom. Yeah, it will be a little darker for a while, but it will blend in time. The big thing is just protect the wood. So that's what we're going to do here. So I'll do the same thing on the hatch and the other Durad box. So I will end the video here, and thanks for watching.